had to leave you and go away, but I think about you every day, in the morning and in the afternoon. I wish that I could see you soon.
Il numero delle vocali di San Pedro Aincola.
I wish that I could see you soon. I had no plans to meet you, baby. I had a million things to do, baby, but you hit my heart with a harpoon. I wish that I could see you soon. The angels go,
how long till you can see her?
and I'm like, the sooner the better.
Do you really think she will wait for you?
Well, I have no way to say, and there's nothing I can do. Well, I have no way to say, and there's nothing I can do. Go. Now listen, now that I am across the sea, I wonder if you're gonna wait for me, or if you're gonna find a new boy to spoon. I wish that I could see you soon, and if you wait a little, my pretty friend, until I come back to hold your hand, we'll be like birds when they break through a cocoon. You know, I wish that I could see you soon. It's been a while since I felt like this, and now I found someone I really miss. Under the sun, under the moon, I wish that I could see you soon, angels.
How long till you can see her?
And I'm like, the sooner the better.
Do you really think she will wait for you?
And I'm like, there's no way to say, and there's nothing I can do. Well, there is no way to say, and there's nothing I can do. Go. Angels again.
How long till you can see her?
And I'm like, well, the sooner the better.
Do you really think she will wait for you?
And I'm like, there's no way to say, and there's nothing I can do. Well, there is no way to say, and there's nothing I can do. Well, there is no way to say, and there's nothing I can do. No way to say, and there is nothing I can do.
Victory loud, crossing old street cat that turns to stop and see you. A small stone somewhere in your shoe all day long. All day long. The old folks wake up for the day, seeing the monsters down, linger from the past, and a great bird is flying away from our family tree. Something wrong with me, yeah, and I've got a secret or two, hiding somewhere, but it won't take long. No, it won't take long.
Vamos a vigilar hasta ahora mismo Mundaka. Ahí va Mundaka. Va a meter la proa. Atento que luego va también la embarcación de Guecho. Atento a Mundaka. Ya Mundaka. Atento a Guecho. Ya para Guecho.
You'd wear with pride, like some empty dress on the bed you've laid out for tonight. Maybe I'll tell you sometime.
Guecho 11.29, Muchana 11.33, Mundaka 11.59, San Pedro 11.02.
Coming up only to hold you under, and coming up only to show you wrong, and to know you is hard. We wonder.
Atención compañeros, ahí va San Pedro, atento a San Pedro, se empieza a cruzar, ya para San Pedro, en un auténtico contrarreloj en la que está haciendo la línea de San Pedro, porque todavía le quedan metros a la embarcación de Guecho que va por esta calle número 1, por la calle número 2, la embarcación de Muchana y por la calle número 3. la embarcación de Mundaca que va en última posición y parece que Guecho quiere empezar ya a buscar esa última maniobra. Lo hace muy abierto, también lo va a hacer la embarcación, la Reca de Luchana. Atentos compañeros, porque ahí está la embarcación rojilla de Guecho, empieza a cruzarse, ahí está haciendo ahora mismo la maniobra los Guechotarras. Atentos compañeros, porque lo hace como decimos muy abierto. Vamos a ver, ya llega la proa a esa baliza, atención a Guecho, se queda un poquito, ya para Guecho, ahí va la Reca de Luchana, ahí va la Reca de Luchana también a buscar esa última maniobra, lo hace ahora mismo, se empieza a cruzar, ya para Luchana. Y ahora va a hacerlo ya en última posición, la embarcación de Mundaca.
Coming up only to show you down for, and coming up only to show you wrong. To the outside, the dead leaves lay out alone, for they trees hang their fall. Every occasion I'll be ready for the funeral. Every occasion once more, it's called the funeral. Every occasion, oh, I'm ready for the funeral. Every occasion, oh, 1 billion day funeral.
Tiempos finales de esta tanda: Guecho, calle 1, 23-19, Luchana, calle 2, 23-34, Mundaca, calle 3, 24-02, San Pedro, 22-08.